to wash my hair, but like I'm just still basking in me not having to do my hair every day, because when it's curly you gotta do that bitch every day. The hair is going to be in a sleek pulled back braided ponytail. Mind you, never done this before. I should probably be doing this in the bathroom. I'm gonna just stay here. Today I'm gonna use this Let's Jam Extra Hold and just put it.
I made the boy bleed out the watch. Put some more rocks in the watch. Made the finger to the cops. Begins to work like Tupac. Say the wrong word cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think how he gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shot. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't pay me a nigga too high. You need to start living that life. You know we keep stiff like the shot. You know I be with.
Feels nice and tight. Alright, so now for baby hairs, I'm just gonna like use my fingers, kind of just like swipe out my hair.
Niggas too scared to go. Hey, go. Hey, 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 hey. I couldn't like hands or so. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I got look like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. And you know me a storm. I stay fly, I was there born. But the hoe like it's porn.
Alright, so I'm using this Everclear here in color 27 and 613. Now I'm not using all of this because I want my braid to look really natural, like it's mine. Alright, I'm so scared. Alright, can y'all see? So I'm gonna take 3 sections like so, and I'm gonna start a braid. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and make sure it's really nice and tight. And then I'm gonna feed this in this. I think it's in. Why am I laughing at myself right now? Ooh, are we tangled? Kind of tangled. Okay, I need way more hair. Guys, I think it's working. Ooh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. Should I keep going though? You see how like it's like my hair is really thick and then the braid gets really skinny? Do we like that? Okay, I'm gonna redo this. I got this. Alright, round 2. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that. What? Oh my god. Okay, I'm losing hair as we go. This shit is wild. One more time. Remember that I low-key need a piece to wrap around my braid. I hate this. Why does this mirror hate me? This mirror does not want me to be great, but the braid is installed or whatever. It's cute or whatever. I'm not gonna show you the back because that's none of your business. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to my makeup now because my hair's done. My baby hairs look okay, but I'll figure that. Oh, found my edge brush. It was in my makeup. I'm gonna start with my makeup now.
All that matters to me is Isaiah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty from go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of fake. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want the shit with the bed at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top, baby. She wants your name, that yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling that you can inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do the side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you gonna do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty from go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of fake. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want the shit with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top, baby. If I hit it front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a message with her, take a back to mile off. Got a five in up on that wild. And then they been begging for shit, style. My hoes about it. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride it. This nigga's all years old. Shot it on the drive, it look like the limo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got that ass it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, man. Now you want the